Exercise 1D. So first question, what is the first question? Define rational number. What is a rational number? Any numbers written in the form of p by q, that is a rational number. And irrational number, what is a irrational number? The number which is not a rational number, means not in the rational number we have two, one is terminating, another is repeating. So the number which is not repeating and not terminating, that will be the irrational number. Real number is all the number which we have all positive, negative, decimal, fraction, everything, that will be the rational number. We have to write a definition of this. So let's write the definition of this. What is a rational number, what is irrational number, and what is a real number. I'll give along with the example, so easy to remember. So first is the rational number. What is a rational number? This is exercise 1D. This is exercise 1D. Question number 1. In the 1 Roman number 1, that is a rational number. Rational number. So a number of the form p by q, where p, q are integer and q does not equal to 0, are called rational number. Example, that is any number you can give in a fraction, 1 by 2, 3 by 5. These are the rational number. Now second, what is a irrational number? In a rational number we have two. One is terminating. After dividing, there is a remainder is 0, that is a terminating. When the remainder is not 0, there is a non-terminating or a non-repeating or repeating. Either the remainder can be 0. When the remainder is 0, so there is a terminating. When the remainder is not 0, there is a non-terminating. We call it repeating also. So in the result the number will be repeat. So second is irrational number. Irrational, this will be the I, irrational number. So what is irrational number? And the number which, when expressed in decimal form, are expressed as non-terminating and non-repeating. Decimal. Are called irrational number. Irrational number. See, in the irrational number, it can give a root 2, or if I want to write, I will go 1 0 1 0 0 1 0 0 1. In this way it will go infinity. So in the rational number, what does we have? Rational number, I'll explain it again. We write there is p by q. After if you divide it, you may get, that is, you can take 1 by 3. This is also another example. After the division, you may get with a terminating, that is 0.5. This is also one. This is also rational. Another repeating, that is 0.5. 5 6 5 6, it repeats in this way. So these two are the rational number. If the number is neither this nor this, that have to be irrational number. So this is a irrational number example. Now we need to write for the real number. What is a real number? Combination of all the number. So but we cannot write it the combination of the all the numbers. We have to write in the word real number. What is a real number? A number which are positive. So this is a real number. A number, the number which are positive negative and positive negative and whole number or decimal number and rational number or irrational number. Are called real number. Example, any number. 1, if it is negative, it's positive, whole number including 0, negative, minus 5, there is p by q 1 by 2, irrational number, root 2, these are all real number. Means combination of all the number is a real number. Now come to the question number 2. Question number 2, I think I will solve it here only directly, that will be better instead of writing anything. Okay, no, I will write in a copy and I will solve it, that will be better. So this is question number 2. Classified the following number as a rational or the irrational number. So is it a rational or is it a irrational number? So first, okay, I will do it in a book, that will be better. So this is a rational number, this is p by q form, this is a rational number. 1 is a rational number. Second, okay, let me write a quotient. This is question number 2, Roman number 1. What is the quotient? 22 by 7. So it is a rational number. Why it is a rational number? Because it is in a fractional form. Whenever it is in the form of fraction, there is a rational number. Rational number. Come to Roman number 2. There is 3.1416. This is also rational number, because in a rational number we have the terminating and repeating. So this is a terminating, it ends, so it is a rational number. Rational number. In the Roman number 3, there is pi. We know that pi is a irrational number, because below pi is 3.14, it will go up to infinity. So it is a irrational number. Roman number 4. So it is given 3.14 2857. Now what does this bar mean? This means that after this again this number will repeat. So it can be written as 3.142857. Again this number will repeat 142857. It will go up to infinity. So this is a repeating. It is a rational number. In a rational number it is a repeating. This is a rational number. In rational number it is a repeating. So it will be rational number. Rational number. Next question, that is Roman number 5. Roman number 5, it's given 5.637. 6363. See what is it? It's repeating. It can be written as 5.63 bar. So it is a repeating. So it will repeat. What is repeating? There is a rational number. So it is a rational number. Roman number 5. Now come to Roman number 6. So I think I don't have spread a page. So this is Roman number 6. In a Roman number 6, what is the question? Roman number 6, the question is 2.004 See, this is it doesn't follow any pattern. It goes into infinity, so it is not a repeating, and it is not terminating, and it is not repeating also. So it is irrational number. Irrational number. Question number 7. That is 1.5352253. This is also irrational number. Same, this and this are same. Instead of 0, now it's number, only that much referring. So it is a irrational number. 5, now it will be 7, 8. What it is? 3.121222133. This is also same, irrational number. Irrational number. 8, 9. That is already given root 21 instead of root. So it is irrational number. Whenever it is a root, it is irrational number. This is 9 and 10. There is root 3. This power is half. So this is also irrational number. Irrational number. So now come to the next question. There is question number 3. What does the question number 3 mean to say? Find a rational number between root 2 and root 3. So first, for this already you have to learn the value of the root 2, and you have to by heart the value of root 2 and root 3. They will not give the value of root 2 and root 3. You have to remember what is the value of root 2 and root 3. The value of root 2 is 1. You have to find a rational number between the root 2 and root 3. For solving this, you have to remember the value of root 2 and root 3. They will not give the value of this number. You have to remember it. And we know that the root 2 and root 3, value of root 2 and root 3, then in the middle of this, we have to find a rational number. Now, what is the value of the root 2? This is question number 3. What is the value of root 2 and what is the value of root 3? Root 2, we know that is 1.414. It will go up to infinity, and root 3 is 1.732 ... So I have to find a rational number between these. See, this is 1.4, above this is 1.7. So there in the middle I can take 1.5 and 1.6. So it is the middle one. You have to, so I am going to take 1.5. If you want, you can take 1.5 also correct, 1.6 also correct, because rational number. Now rational number is always we write in the form of p by q. So this is 1.5 can be written as 1.5 divided by, because after decimal there is only one digit, it will be 10. Now cancel it, both we can divisible by 5. How much? 5 2s are 5 3s. So it gives 3 by 2. Now it became the fraction. So this is the rational number. 3 by 2 is rational number. If you want, you can take 1 by 6 also. See, 1 by 6. So you can write 16 by 10 divided by 2. So 8 divided by 2, 5. 8 by 5. This is also in the form of fraction. So this is also rational. So there can be lots of rational number. Doesn't mean only these two is a rational number. There can be more rational number also. Only you have to find a one. So everyone, the answer will be not same for this question, because there are lots of rational number. Anyone can take any rational number. So now come to the question number 4. Question number 4. Question number 4 states that prove that root 6 is an irrational number. Prove that root 6 is an irrational number. Same as proving root 2 is an irrational number. Only instead of 2 it will be root 6. There can be any number. Only the pattern will be same. They can give any number. X means all the natural number, they can give any number. So now they have given proof that root 6 is an irrational number. We have to prove that root 6 as an irrational number. Let's prove it. Everything will remain the same. So here will be not sufficient space, so let me turn the page. So this is the question number 6. Question number 4. Question number 4. You have to prove that root 2 as a irrational number. Okay, sorry, root 6. So this is the answer. So let root 6, everything will remain the same, be a rational number in the simplest, okay, let me bring here, simplest form a by b, that is 1 is only common factor of a and b. 1 is only common factor of a and b. So root 6 is equal to a by b. B does not equal to 0. Now to remove the square root of square, so it will be squaring both sides, squaring both side. So this square root and square will eliminate. 6 equal to a square by b. Now bring the b square this side, it will be, since it is a divide, it will be multiply. 6 b square equal to a square. Since this is divisible by 6, therefore this will be divisible by 6, implies a square is divisible by 6. So 6 divisible by 6 implies a is also divisible by 6. So this is also divisible by 6. Perfect. So we got this will be our equation 1. So now for the we got the factor of a, now we are going to find a factor of b. So let a is equal to, now it will be 6c for some integer. So putting is a equal to 6c in equation 1. So it will be here, this is equation 1, instead of a, now we are going to put 6c. Since this is a 2 digit or 2 digit or 2 value, therefore you have to give the bracket. 6b square equal to 6c square. So it will be 6b square equal to 6 6 are 36 c square. Bring the 6 this side, or you can cancel the 6 directly also. If you want, you can cancel it direct. If you cancel directly, that is also correct. So cancel it directly. Of b1 you can take 36 6 c square. 6 is a 36. So b square is equal to 6 c square. This is divisible by 6, therefore implies b square is divisible by 6. B square is divisible by 6. And since b square is divisible by 6, b is also divisible by 6. b is also divisible by 6. Thus 6 divide a as well as 6 divide b. So the 6 is a common factor of a and b. We have considered 1 is only common factor of a and b, but we got 6 is a common factor of a and b. So which contradict our assumption? Which contradict our assumption? What does we have considered? We have considered 1 is only common factor and root 6 is a rational number, which contradict our assumption. Hence root 5 is an irrational number.